Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add tokens on Phantom Wallet. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Chrome Web Store. Now open this website and make sure to sign into your account. After that, go to the search bar above and type in Phantom Wallet. Once the extension appears, click on it and then make sure to install it on your browser. After it is installed, click on its icon above and you will be able to see all of the available tokens. In order to add new ones, click on this Manage Tokens Embed and then search for the preferred one. In my region, other tokens are not available, that's why there is nothing showing up. Once you have the token located, simply click on this slider to enable it and it will start showing on your account. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.